Hi, today I'm going to discuss about how can format the text data items. Here Angular data model my app, so my format is I see text equal to within double quotes. Have to construct the one loop. That loop is I divided by modulus of 2 c dot lowercase. Have to convert the lowercase. If suppose I'm going to second character is automatically converted to the lowercase, and next starting the word ending character is lowercase. After ending the word you can start with the uppercase. These are the changes you can find and change it. It's a given input is Johnny, Carl, Margaret or some text, right? They have to change it. I'm going to run the code. What will happen here? See that code here, Jenny, right here. I'm giving the input is different, has completely different. That's why I use this code. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.